In this video, I'm going to be guiding you how to change your Netflix region with NordVPN. So NordVPN could be used to change regional restrictions that Netflix put on due to some different region issues. So you can easily fix that. You can see, and now to change your location, what you need to do is simply open your NordVPN, select the server. So let's just say some seasons are available or some movies are available in a country like Australia, or maybe you can go with any other, like for example, you have something in Denmark or anything, so you can simply opt for that region. And how you can connect it, you simply need to click on these three dots. And by the way, before proceeding forward, you can head over to the link in the description to get 70% off on NordVPN. And then you need to click on this connect option, and that is going to be changing your location. Then head back to your Netflix account, and there you can simply uh, refresh and get those accounts access. So that's how easy it is to get started with these, and I hope this helps. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.